June 6, taong 2024, may isang maangas at mayabang na undefeated knockout artist na Japanese boxer ang dumayo sa Pilipinas para sa isang tune-up fights lamang daw kontra sa kababayan nating Pinoy. Ang Hapon na ito ay si Kakeru Mashimo na may ring records na 8 wins with 6 knockouts at 0 losses na binansagan na The Lion Fist of Japan. Sa tune-up fights na ito mga master ay makakalaban nga po ng Hapon ang kababayan nating Pinoy na si Jason Canoy Manigos na may ring records noon na 29 wins with 18 knockouts at 12 talo. Sa dami nga po ng talo ng Pinoy na ito ay inakala nga po ng mga Hapon na ito na isang mahina at pataba lamang sa kartada ng Japanese boxer ang kababayan natin. Sa mga di po kasi nakakaalam mga master, si Kakeru Mashimo po ang pinakamahusay na prospect ng Japan noon sa featherweight division at pinaniniwalaan nga po ng mga Japanese boxing analysts na magiging isang boxing superstar ito balang araw dahil nga po sa tinataglay na lakas ng kamao nito na tila ba shotgun kapag bumayo. Kaya naman, binansagan po itong The Lion Fist of Japan. Pero tila ba, ang sinasabing layon ng Japan ay naging isang pusang kuting lamang sa kababayan natin Pinoy na inakala nga po nilang isang mahinang nilalang lamang po. Dahil ang malinis na record ng Japanese boxer na ito ay nadumihan po ng ating kababayan. Halina't sabay-sabay po nating panoodin ang isang napakagandang laban na ito kontra sa undefeated knockout artist na Japanese boxer na ito.
Of course, Jason Canoy Manigos, the veteran. Previously, he upset then undefeated Michael Adolfo. No? So this veteran is very dangerous, and Mashimo should be very careful against this veteran.
Manigos immediately going to work. Immediately met Mashimo in the middle of the ring, towards the body and going inside the head. Very good uppercut in the midsection is Manigos.
And Manigos is making known his intentions early on in this fight.
Good strategy there by Manigos, immediately going close to Mashimo.
Trying to make Mashimo's position uncomfortable as much as possible by pressuring and cutting the ring.
And negating the advantage of Mashimo, knowing that he is the taller and the longer fighter. However, Mashimo is beginning to gather his rhythm, getting momentum on his side slowly. Tapos pumagal din ng konti si Manigos. Now Mashimo has Manigos against the ropes. 2 hooks to the head by Mashimo. Very good defense there by Manigos, and then was able to sneak in that uppercut in the midsection. However, very good offense here by Mashimo.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
Another very good uppercut by Manigos. However, he was very open for that left hook. More uppercuts from Manigos. Another hook by Manigos.
Manigos is showing this young kid that old man strength, Franco.
And he's hitting him with that uppercut. Maganda yung uppercut sa gitna ni Manigos. Bumapasok sa mukha ni Mashimo. Hindi lang siya dapat makikipagsabayan dito. Kasi, syempre, mas malaki, mas matangkad si Mashimo eh. He needs to get out of that corner.
There you go.
Another uppercut by Manigos.
But Manigos needs to be careful.
Now he has the Japanese in trouble.
And
We're seeing blood.
that's right. Early on in this fight. And this is a good strategy for Manigos, no? Because he's connecting with that uppercut. I told you, this guy is not a scrub. And
You have to rely on that old man strength. Now he's pushing Mashimo to the limit.
and the very first round at that, Manigos, uppercut again. Body shot by Manigos. Great first round by Jason Manigos, showing what it is to fight in his home turf.
Execution of the uppercuts. Ang ganda ng mga uppercuts. Section. And eventually napansin niya, yun, lumulusot sa gitna. He was able to capitalize on that one, and Mashimo took a lot of uppercuts to the face. Now
right.
let's see the adjustments. Definitely, I were in his corner, I'll tell him to fight mid-range and long range. For us, what do you call this? For Manigos, Diba? Don't disrupt the formula. Do the same thing. Keep pushing the pace.
Absolutely right. Kasi if you are Manigos, your strategy is already working. So you have to maintain the pressure. This is an opportunity that he needs to take advantage of. Double hook from Manigos. But Mashimo is right there. And moments like this will show you what a fighter is made of.
How he deals with adversity.
Absolutely.
The veteran in Manigos definitely can definitely take the punishment. Now it's just a matter of sustaining his offense.
And the big question here, Franco, is how much damage did Manigos make? And diba? And
Kung ano yung magiging long-term effect nun. Kasi
That's right.
this is going to be for 8 rounds.
but Kakeru is hanging on in there and he's still fighting toe-to-toe against Manigos. I don't know if that's a good strategy. There you go. Manigos is very powerful with those counter shots.
Manigos has to throw combinations. Can't rely on that one punch na akala niya siguro babagsak kasi every time he throws in that uppercut, ibabawi naman sa'yo ni Mashimo 4. But he can't be careless. He can't be too careful as well. Jab straight there by Mashimo. Now he's picking up the pace, fighting at mid-range. Good strategy here by Mashimo.
Good recovery by good right hand by Manigos.
Just when you thought na medyo may deep breath si Manigos, pag bumato ng ganun, nabubuhayan ka.
That's right.
Overhand right by Manigos.
All it needs is one punch to change the fight, Franco.
Medyo good body shots by Manigos. Huwag ka lang maubos. Good straight to the body
And I
by
think he
Manigos.
hurt Kakeru with that in that exchange. But Kakeru comes back with a flurry of his own.
6 unanswered punches there by Mashimo. Now he has Manigos against the ropes.
Taking a breather, it seems. But the uppercut once again is there, and left hand from Manigos. Caught Kakeru by surprise right there.
Good strategy here by Manigos, attacking the body and finishing with an uppercut to the face. He needs to get out of the ropes. Final 10 seconds of this round. More than anything,
Good body shot by Manigos.
mas kailangan ni Manigos yung break na to. He needs to recover. End of the round.
That was a closer round. I think Kakeru did a little bit better than the first round. It's a real toss-up for the judges, no? Kasi it was a very close, competitive round.
This is a good opportunity now to recover for Manigos. Use this break time to recover, recuperate.
Maintaining yung work rate niya in this third round.
If you just joined us, this is Combati 15, third round of a scheduled 8-round fight between Kakeru Mashimo versus Jason Manigos. Mashimo is from Yokohama Hikari Gym. Manigos is representing Asturias Boxing Gym. Eventful first round for Manigos. Nakabawi ng konti si Mashimo in the second round. Let's see how these fighters will perform in the third.
Franco, Mashimo's nose has been bleeding profusely since that first round, no? Courtesy of those uppercuts from Manigos.
And Manigos should capitalize on that by pressing the action. He can't allow himself to get pinned against the ropes. And as much as gusto niya makipagsabayan and he wants
Good
to
left hand.
counter, hindi pwedeng hihintayin niya yung mga suntok na gano'n. Because every time Mashimo, diba, throws combinations, minimum.
Good right hand by Manigos. Absolutely right, Franco.
Overhand right there by Manigos, followed up by that vicious uppercut. So far, no answer for Mashimo dun sa mga uppercut ni Manigos.
Good right hand. I think Mashimo got hurt.
He is wobbled. Mashimo is wobbled. Tignan natin. He needs to press more. Manigos has to press the action. He needs to capitalize with the momentum shifting to his side. Good shot to the body. Another uppercut right in the middle for Manigos.
And body shot by Manigos.
Very good body shot.
Kakeru took it well though.
4 punches here by Mashimo.
Midway through the third round, Franco, and Manigos has been putting in the work. And let's see if Kakeru can show up and counter those attacks. Kasi Manigos is target shooting at this point.
And both fighters have almost a minute left in this round. Another uppercut there by Manigos. Ano?
I think Kakeru needs to box from the outside. That's his advantage. But Manigos is unbelievable. Talagang you have to give
Very
credit
impressive.
to the matchmaker, no? And good flurry by Kakeru.
Good head movement there by Manigos. He was able to capitalize and finish with an uppercut to the head. However, he needs more combinations.
30 seconds left in this round. Good short right hand. But Kakeru is in good condition. He's showing that he's still there. It's just that the punches by Manigos seems to me deals more impact and damage.
Good overhand right by
Just like that.
Manigos. Another good left hand there by Manigos.
And results showed up for the first few rounds of this bout, and he's on the driver's seat right now.
Halfway mark, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jason Manigos of Asturias Boxing Gym. He is up against Kakeru Mashimo of Yokohama Hikari Gym, Japan.
Good combination from Kakeru. But Manigos, the veteran that he is, took it very well.
I like the changing levels ng attacks ni Manigos. You know, he goes to the body, goes to the head.
And he got caught there. This is an opportunity for Kakeru to shift the momentum in his favor.
Very aggressive punches here by Kakeru Mashimo.
But Manigos did very well evading those punches, no? And now it's his turn. What a fight.
Parang ang daming binatong-suntok ni Mashimo dun. Mukhang nagpapahinga siya ngayon. Manigos needs to capitalize. We're still seeing blood drip down on the nose of Kakeru Mashimo. Now they're fighting in the pocket. We need to see more of those uppercuts. Good hook to the head by Manigos.
What a great test for Kakeru. No?
Very good
Those
inside uppercut there
uppercuts.
by Manigos.
Devastating. Courtesy of Jason Canio Manigos. Halfway. Good combination by Manigos. I think Kakeru is hurt. He's not answering right
Manigos
now.
throwing everything at the head of Kakeru Mashimo. Now he's urging the Japanese fighter to engage him. What a fight, John.
Manigos is showing the Japanese fighter what a veteran is. And with that old man strength, he is not backing down.
Manigos in the corner. Now he wants to attack. Setting up that uppercut in the middle.
Kakeru needs to do something big here to shift the momentum in his favor because Manigos is having his day.
Approaching the 30-second mark of this round. So far, rapid punches from Kakeru Mashimo. Very good uppercut again in the middle for Manigos.
Good defense from Manigos. But
Now Mashimo wants to go back to the body. Patiently waiting for that uppercut.
And there you go. Like we
flurry
said
by
earlier,
Manigos.
Manigos fights in spurts. But when he does, the effective left hand by Manigos.
Very good left hand by Manigos. That is
Saved by the
bell.
bell. Late punch.
Kaya ko to.
Absolutely.
Kaya ko to.
Absolutely. And this is his fight to lose at this point because he's way ahead because of those sequences where he hurt itong si Kakeru. The big question here is how much does Manigos have left in the tank? And how much Kakeru can receive yung punishment pa because he's been taking a lot of damage in this fight. Good left hand from Manigos. There you go again. Left hook.
Two left hands by Manigos.
Right hand by Manigos.
Power
Double
shot.
left hook.
Power shot after power shot, John. Manigos is on another level of energy.
Clearly, Manigos doesn't want the judges to decide the fate of the pugilist in this ring right now. He wants the knockout and he knows he's ahead.
On a side note, mga kaibigan, ito rin yun. Pag masyadong basa yung shorts mo, mabigat yan. Basang-basa yung shorts ni Kakeru Mashimo eh. Straight to the body from the Japanese fighter. Now he has Manigos against the corner. However, Manigos is very comfortable in this position right now. Good straight there from Mashimo. However,
Medyo mahinga yung malalim yung hininga ni Manigos kanina.
good jab there by
Good
Manigos.
combination by Manigos.
More lefts than rights. This is an amazing performance by Manigos.
Good uppercut again by Manigos. Nakuha na niya yung range and yung timing as you see. Great combination by Manigos. And Kakeru is on his turtle shell right now.
Kakeru Mashimo covering up every time Manigos comes inside.
The thing with Kakeru is you can only fight in one style and that's infighting. And I think to his peril, Manigos is taking advantage of that as well.
However, at this point, John, labanan na lang ng will to eh. Oh.
That's right. Who wants it more?
Who wants it more? These fighters are throwing everything they got. Final 30 seconds of the 5th round. You can see that both fighters are huffing and puffing. However, diba, yung fighting spirit talaga, bato pa rin sila ng bato ng suntok.
Absolutely. And Manigos is still there. He's just being very efficient with his energy dahil alam niyang matagal pang laban na to.
Final 10 seconds of the 5th round.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
What a way to end this round, John! In the later rounds.
It's been definitely a factor early on in the rounds but mukhang nahihirapan itong corner ni Mashimo to contain that bleeding nose.
Siyempre, pag dumudugo yung ilong ng fighter, mahirap huminga, mahirap mag-recover. And, minsan pumapasok yan sa, sa nasal cavity, tsaka pumapasok yan sa bibig mo eh. Di ba?
Messes up your breathing.
Messes up your breathing, lalo na may mouthpiece tong mga to.
White, round 6 so far.
Good pace. Medyo pumipacing itong dalawa to. Round 5 and now round 6. They're pacing themselves. Small spurts from Kakeru Mashimo. Good defense by Manigos.
Good combination from Kakeru. And this is what he should do. He should box from the outside and get away from those counter shots. Hindi siya pwede makipagsabayan kay Manigos as
Diba,
shown.
fight long range, fight mid range.
There you go.
So definitely, the moment Manigos is able to bridge that gap and it goes on the inside, alam niya na kagad when to throw those hooks and those uppercuts sa gitna.
Good head movement from Manigos.
Good defense here by Manigos.
And now Kakeru has a lot of respect doon sa power ni Manigos.
Medyo tentative na siya every time he comes inside.
And that was made possible because of the early onslaught courtesy of Manigos. Pakilala agad si Manigos eh.
Good left left hand there by Manigos.
Good combination from Manigos.
Three-punch combination there by Manigos, unleashed and landed square to the jaw of Takeru Mashimo.
Missed with that uppercut. Down goes Manigos, but I think the referee will call that a slip.
Oh, it's a slip. Nadulas na yung ano eh. Resume action. Final 20 seconds of round number 6. Scheduled for 8. Abangan nyo po mga kaibigan. Final 10 seconds na. Normally sa 10 seconds na. Para itong dalawa to. Because they want to impress the judges. End of the round.
7th round, Franco. It's still anybody's fight.
Oh, the way these fighters are performing, there's no giving up, there's no letting down.
Good short left hand by Kakeru. Stiff jab from Manigos.
Takeru Mashimo is trying to pin Manigos against the ropes. However, Manigos is able to utilize the ropes to his advantage.
And for those watching, what Manigos has been doing is the perfect example of what your game plan should be against a taller opponent.
Good exchange so far from both fighters.
Difficult round to score so
Tsaka
far.
parang nag-aanuhan na lang silang dalawa. Sige, sapakin mo ko sa mukha, sapakin mo din sa mukha. Diba? Tingnan natin sino unang tutumba.
They're just
Ayun no, see? This is a battle of will na lang talaga. Both fighters giving it all as we approach the final minute of round 7.
good jabs.
Double jab combination. Double jab there by Manigos. Now he's covering up, trying to bridge that gap. Go inside once again.
Good right hand by Manigos, but he's breathing heavily right now. Missed with that uppercut.
Four-punch combination to the body. Mashimo still pushing forward.
Good right hand by Manigos. Left hand from Manigos.
Those looping left hands by Manigos are landing as we approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
Beautiful combination by
Nagbubuhos na naman po si Manigos for this round.
And this is the
Eighth
eighth and final round.
Let's go!
The best fight so far this afternoon.
What a performance from both these fighters, John. I
Absolutely.
mean, no matter what happens, I mean, they are taking a part of each other's soul because of this fight.
Giving a whole new meaning to Wala Nang Bukas. And Kakeru trying to make things happen this time, but Manigos is still there.
Ang ganda ng counter-punching ni Manigos eh. Every time that Takeru Mashimo lunges forward, may naghihintay na left hook sa kanya eh.
I know this fight is still not over, Franco, but I want to see a rematch of this
I
fight.
know, they could actually run it back, bro. They could actually do this again. I hate to be the judges for this fight. I mean, how do you score it? Do you score the volume? Do you score the impact? Minute 40 in the 8th and final round. Both fighters
They're running on fumes right
running
now,
on
Franco.
fumes, emptying the gas tank. Manigos pushing forward.
Slip a little bit.
Manigos goes back to the body. Same strategy for the entire fight.
Good left hand by Kakeru.
What an onslaught from both these fighters. However,
Good left
Massimo
hand by Manigos.
getting better of the exchanges. Ngayon si Manigos medyo nag-aabang, naghihintay, tapos babato ng malakas.
Yung volume favors Kakeru, pero yung impact.
Impact favors Manigos.
That's right. And Manigos is hyped up right now. And he receives a left hand from Kakeru.
Manigos said, let's go.
30 seconds left in this bout. Good.
Another uppercut to the face by Manigos. Final 20 seconds. Let's see what these fighters will do.
Good right
Good
hand.
right hand there by Manigos.
Good right hand again by Manigos. He is spamming with that right hand and it's hitting the mark. 10
Final
seconds
10
left.
seconds.
Who wants it more?
Good shots there. Another right hand by Manigos.
What a fight! Unbelievable performance from Jason Kani Manigos.
For your winner, via split decision, Jason Canos Manigos!
And there you have it, Jason Kani Manigos